Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my meatball recipe. So start off with 1 pound of ground beef, some breadcrumbs, parsley, Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, and 4 cloves of garlic. But these are jumbo size, so I'm just going to stick with 3 for today. And of course some salt and pepper to season. You are going to add 3 tablespoons to your 1 pound ground beef, or you can use ground turkey, whatever you prefer. Next, add in your breadcrumbs. I like to use the Italian style in this particular recipe. Half a cup of your Parmesan cheese to give that nice boost of flavor. Crack 2 eggs and then add those into your mixture. 4 cloves of garlic, but of course these are so gigantic, I'm just using 3. But I'm just going to go ahead and take off the outer layer and get them ready so that I can finally mince these up so I can add that to my ground beef mixture. Lastly, you're going to season with salt and pepper to your own liking. Once you're done mixing this really good, you're going to take a baking sheet and you're going to drizzle some olive oil onto the baking sheet just so that the meatballs won't stick. Now it's time to create your meatball size by simply rolling the meat mixture around in the palms of your hands until they become about this size. You don't want them too big, too small, just in between, and make sure they're kind of like all the same uniform just so that they can cook equally. Again, the goal is to make sure that they're kind of somewhat the same size so that they can cook evenly. And so here I'm noticing that there was one meatball a little shy in size. So I'm just basically just picking and just kind of adding, and then I'm gonna re-roll them just so that they're all nice in the same size. Now these are all ready to go into your preheated oven of 400 degrees, and oh, these smell so amazing right now. So these are going to go for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, and these look terrific. Now I'm just going to add them to my spaghetti sauce for another 30 minutes, and they'll be ready to serve over pasta. Bon appetit! Oh, these are our family fave. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe.